Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing what matters: inventory, credits, and an attainable route to titanium white octane. You must check your account platform and confirm you can trade or acquire items. Once done, prioritize methods: crate pulls, in-game events, or player trades. Begin by saving credits or purchasing event bundles if available, because direct drops are rare. Make sure to enable notifications for limited-time events and catalog rotations. This speeds up your next opportunities and prevents. You now execute. Target event crates first, since they often raise painted item odds. Spend saved credits judiciously. If crates aren't available, switch to trading, look for players listing titanium white octane, and propose a fair exchange using painted items or credits. When opening crates, space out pulls to monitor drop patterns and set a credit cap. This avoids chasing rare odds recklessly. Also, join dedicated trading groups to increase match chances, because networking drastically shortens the hunt. You finish by securing the item correctly. Verify the titanium white octane's platform, painted status, and any certification before confirming a trade. Once the trade is accepted, double-check that the item appears in your inventory. If not, contact support with clear screenshots. If a deal falls through, pause and reassess your budget and method. Switching from pulls to trades often saves credits. One troubleshooting tip: if trades keep failing, ask for a middleman approved by the community to protect both parties.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.